Garage doors don't just move up and down. This is the Hörmann HST, a side-sliding sectional door. It's the first with automated wicket door function. That means I can program it just to open to a certain point. For instance, if I've got bikes or a wheelbarrow that I need to be wheeling in or out of the building. Alternatively, you can activate the wicket door function with just a flick of the automatic handle. This door can be operated with a handle when fitted in manual or in automatic with a handset like this. These twin rollers make sure that the door is quiet, easy and smooth to operate. And as you can see, they're fitted between the panels, which makes the door a lot more stable and gives it a longer life. Safety now and the finger trap protection comes from the clever design of these panels and hinges. As you can see, if I put my finger in between these panels here, it's gently squeezed out. Another safety feature with this door is the twin automatic cutout. If the door encounters an obstacle, it'll simply reverse in the opposite direction. The aluminium door guide is tough enough to withstand being run over repeatedly and helps with the smooth, precise door movement. It's also very easy to clean. Seals running along the side and the bottom of the door are designed to keep the weather out. To put this door into manual, it's very easy. All you need to do is pull on this cord here, and then you can operate the door like this. In order to stop this door being forced open, you've got twin point locking with the option of a third, which hooks in around here, and of course on the boom, the mechanical lock. This door comes in a wide variety of styles, finishes and colours. If it's unhindered access to the garage that you want, the HST is the door for you.